Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Nissan Sentra AC. First, let's check the compressor clutch to see if it's engaging properly. Next, locate and inspect your AC fuse and relay for any signs of failure or power interruption. Finally, use a manifold gauge set to accurately measure your refrigerant pressure. These initial steps are crucial for diagnosing many common AC problems and can save you time and money. One of the most frequent issues is low refrigerant, which directly impacts cooling efficiency. If your air isn't blowing cold, this is a prime suspect. Another common culprit is a faulty blend door actuator, which controls where the air flows. If it's stuck, you might only get hot air. Don't forget to check your cabin air filter. A clogged one severely restricts airflow. Moving on to more advanced diagnostics, you'll want to test the AC pressure switch. A malfunctioning switch can prevent the compressor from engaging. Carefully examine your condenser and evaporator for any visible signs of leaks, which indicate refrigerant loss. Lastly, use a multimeter to check the electrical connections and wiring for continuity and proper voltage. While many AC issues are DIY-friendly, some complex repairs, like compressor replacement or extensive leak detection, are best left to a professional mechanic. Regular maintenance, such as annual system checks, can prevent major failures and keep your AC running efficiently. Remember, a little preventative care goes a long way. Also, for a different kind of upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.